Q&A session with the company's CEO and founder, Daniel. Daniel and I met via a referral from another highly successful software IT entrepreneur, and we have been working together on and off for the last few years. So, hello Daniel, how are you, mate?
G'day. Very well.
Good. Now, so Daniel, today we're going to look at two things. Firstly and broadly, I'm going to ask you quickly to give us a feel of what Sintelix does, and then secondly, what's the newest of news that we're going to hear about and from you in this session. So, okay, over to you, Daniel. Broadly, what is it that Sintelix does?
So Sintelix can extract any information that's there from any unstructured data, and unstructured data includes documents and text.
Great. And then you mentioned before about intelligence support.
Yeah. So we've used, and our customers use Sintelix in three areas. In extracting information from text, that's what I just described.
Yep.
For intelligence analysis and for information management.
And that'd be one of the key things, that information management, isn't it?
It is because everybody has the problem. There is no organization that doesn't have an information management problem in one way or another.
It's true. It's very true. So thanks, Daniel. That was great. Now for the newest of news. Firstly, what's this new thing called? What are we doing?
So we call it Enterprise Information Manager.
Okay.
And what it does is it enables you to view the information that you have in your organization in any way you like.
Yep.
And furthermore than that, it frees you from the job of having to employ librarians or use your staff who really don't want to and don't exactly know how to put in the metadata. Yeah. They don't have to do that.
Yep.
Sintelix will do it for you.
Oh, good. So you sort of touched on one of the markets, but what specific market sectors do you see this being used in?
Well, it really applies everywhere.
Okay.
It's been applied in defense. It's been applied in government. Everywhere it fits.
And so what's the big problem, or worst, big problems that it can handle?
So really we're looking at the cost of managing your information. Now, that's either the cost in having specific record-keeping staff, or it's the cost in having staff who are really supposed to be doing other stuff and are good at doing other stuff, trying to manage a record-keeping system.
Yeah, and you were saying before it was people that can't find data and worse off. Well, this what frightened me.
So that's the second problem.
Yeah, they couldn't access it for an audit. I mean, that's pretty scary. Isn't it?
So normally what happens in with enterprise information is you have a tool for accessing that data. And if you're lucky, you've got two. Now, the first tool you have is maybe some records management system where you can go around some kind of tree, which may actually change it on you as it goes. Then the second thing you have is search. Now, search is really great, but you've got to know what you're looking for. Suppose you don't know what you're looking for, then you want to be able to have some kind of a view of your information which says, hey, this is interesting, this is interesting, and this is interesting. And so we do a topic analysis, and that's what we provide, and it means that you can see the things that you didn't know were there in your information.
I like what you said before, that the big scary thing is that they don't know what they don't know. No, that to me, I think, wow, you don't want to be in that position, do you? So how quick will it take to fix these problems compared to traditional methods and resources that are currently available in the marketplace, if the people are going to especially use this Sintelix solution?
So let me just answer that with an example. So we were doing a deployment in Fort Bragg in the United States with the U.S. Special Forces, and they had Sintelix installed. They had the problem I just described with searches, that they didn't know what to find, they didn't know what was there. So we just switched that on, and 5 minutes later they had access to topic analysis, and they were finding all kinds of things that they had no idea were in that data.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Wow. And
Well, roughly speaking, you either got to do it yourself. You got to read the documents, or you've got to go and buy a taxonomy and hope that it's the right taxonomy, and then do a taxonomy mapping, and that's all heavy duty stuff.
Wow. Yeah. So that's great. Thanks, Daniel. Now, understanding that, I also understand because of the background is that Sintelix has invested some serious, well, 8-figure sums into the product, and to get it to the point where it is today. So, how long is that in sort of person years that it's taken to, forget about the money, but what sort of timeline has that taken to build it to this point?
Look, at a conservative estimate, it's 20 plus years.
Wow. Okay. So people can take all of that, apply it into their circumstances, and the example you gave before, 5 minutes later, they've got a solution. They don't have to wait 20 years for it to be developed. Anyway, that's probably extreme. But okay, Daniel, that was excellent. So why is it so beneficial to the people with these problems that they've got in this area?
Because they can use it quickly.
Mm-hmm.
It solves problems that other systems can't easily solve, and we provide incredible service.
Great. Now, here's the big one, Daniel. What's the best way for someone to take advantage of your current offering with this new release?
I guess try that.
Yeah.
If they care to contact us, we'll provide them with access to Sintelix toolset. They can use the data that we provide, or they can upload their own. Okay. And if they do that, that's going to take them between about 5 minutes and maximum a few hours in order to start getting incredible value.
And I understand that you were going to give this is crazy, Daniel, you were going to give it to them for a free trial. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They just contact us and we give them a free trial.
Thanks, Daniel. That's a great snapshot. And so I guess we've just got to remember what's been explained today. If it's of any benefit or of any real interest, we're going to leave you with a specific email address to contact Daniel directly. So, Daniel, thanks again for today. This has been really exciting. We haven't touched base for a while, and it's been a good session. So, thanks again.
It's been fun.